In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report a problem in OneDrive. If OneDrive isn't behaving the way you expect, sending clear feedback directly through the app is the fastest way to let the team know what's going on. I'll walk you through exactly where to click and what to expect along the way so you can submit a useful report in just a minute. Start at the bottom right corner of your screen in the notifications area of the taskbar. Look for the OneDrive cloud icon. If you don't see it right away, click the small up arrow to reveal your hidden icons. This expands the tray and usually makes the cloud easy to spot. Once you find it, click the cloud icon to open the OneDrive menu. In the panel that appears, look for the gear-shaped settings icon, typically in the corner of the panel. Click that gear to open the menu, then click Settings. This takes you into OneDrive's main settings window, where you can adjust preferences and, importantly for us, send feedback. Inside the settings, switch to the Sync and Backup tab. This tab groups together key options for how your files are synchronized, and it also includes the feedback tools. Find the option labeled Give Feedback and click it. You'll be presented with a few choices for the type of feedback you want to send. Choose I don't like something. This is the option designed for reporting problems, errors, or anything that isn't working as intended. Follow the on-screen prompts to submit your report. You'll typically be asked to describe what happened, be as specific as you can, mention what you were trying to do, what actually occurred, and what you expected instead. If it's helpful, include the steps that reproduce the issue and note when it started. If the form offers to include diagnostic details or a screenshot, that can make your report more actionable. Just remember to keep personal or sensitive information out of your description and attachments. When you're done, send the feedback. OneDrive will confirm that your report was submitted. While you might not receive a direct reply, these reports help the team prioritize fixes and improvements, and they often lead to updates that resolve the problem in future releases. That's all there is to it. Click the cloud icon, open the settings gear, go to settings, head to the sync and backup tab, select give feedback, choose I don't like something, and complete the prompts. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you quickly get your OneDrive issue on the radar.